This short advertisement is a quick warning to remind people about phishing scams, fake messages that try to steal personal information. The line got a message asking to verify your account. Stop! Tells people to close and not act immediately when they receive such message. Don't click links or share personal information. Warns them that clicking fake links or typing password can lead to stolen accounts or money. Contact your provider directly and report the message. Encourage safe action. Verify only through official sources. Be safe. Think before you click. Reinforces the main idea. Always double check before taking action online.
Hello everyone. Now you're listening to AJP On Air. We are your news anchor for today. I am Aina Nicole B. Bungalos.
And I'm Prince Vic Oripolles.
Did you just get a message that says, verify your account now? Don't worry, scammers hide behind fake ads and messages that promise something too good to be true. Their real goal is to steal your password or your money.
Before you click, check the sender. Do you recognize them? Are there spelling mistakes or an urgent tone? Never give personal information to anyone who asks. Through the text, chat, or ad.
If you're unsure, call your bank using the official phone number or go directly to the official website. Report any suspicious messages.
A little caution goes a long way